In order to modify the handle of the sidebar or edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Display. Then over here, if you scroll down again, you should be able to find Edge Panels, and let's go over here. Then choose Handle, and here we can change the position of the handle, so we can move it to the left side. You should also find this arrow, so you can drag the handle. You can change the color of the handle as well, so let's say I'm gonna switch to red. We can lock the handle position so that you cannot really move it outside of this option, because outside of the handle settings you can still move it around. We can also adjust the transparency, so we can have a solid color or a little bit transparent. We can change the size, so we can make the handle bigger or smaller, and the same goes with width. We can make it thin or thick. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!